Hi, good day, South Africa. Let me greet you. My name is Becky Mazeka from Pietermaritzburg. Just want to share with you a beautiful, lovely business model that just changed my life in just a very short time. In just 26 days, I joined the business and my life has changed forever. The name of the company is called Crowd1. Well, Crowd1 is a combination of a couple of companies, including Apple, Google, as well as Android. You know the Android, all the Samsung, Hisense, and all those other phones. We call the cell phones Android. The most interesting thing, they nominated Crowd1 as a very nice company to actually run the marketing part of the business. In fact, they just like to give back to the community in a form of shares. But ama shares aboga as we speak. Ama shares about Daisa from 25 January 2019. Now, the shutdown date or the launch basically of these shares is going live on the 1 August as well as 2019. The good thing is, actually what they're trying to do is, if they believe us, we all have our smartphones, but the question is, do you make money with your smartphone? If the answer is yes, well, it's a smartphone. But if you don't make money with your smartphone, it's not a smartphone. It's a dumb phone, let me tell you. But now we want to help you how to change your cell phone into an ATM. My cell phone is an ATM. Every single day, my cell phone rings. As I'm talking to you, in the space of 26 days, I joined the company. I make nothing less than 26,000 every single day. And in this very same 26 days, I bought myself beautiful, lovely cars. The first one is Mercedes-Benz, which I bought it in 14 days when I was with this company, Crowd1. And the second car, just recently bought 8 Range Rover. Why? Because we actually making a lot of money in this business. The company pays us in euros as the company based in Dubai. The company, the CEO and the founders that run this company, it's 9 CEOs. By the way, on the 14th of September, we are going overseas to meet the very same guys and sit down with them and hear. They want to actually hear your vision. Reason being, they want to give us more power, they want to give us more performance, and they also want to give us more money. Now, let's just talk business, get down to business, just to give you a more beautiful clarity what is exactly Crowd1. Crowd1 is a 100% mobile network marketing company. They're always in the forefront when it comes to technology. As we all know, we are in the 4th industrial revolution. Abantu baya retrench umsebenzi left and right. Standard Bank yesterday, a couple of days ago, just retrenched or closed over 130 branches. Bonke abantu besebenza khona, where are they going to work? Because why? They're introducing technology. Rainbow in Pietermaritzburg 2007, why retrench about 3,500. These people, they were unemployed today. Unfortunately, there's a 4th industrial revolution. Today, we are introducing to you something unbelievable called Crowd1. If you may remember, couple of years ago, MTN was selling their shares, you didn't get one. Vodacom was selling their shares, you didn't get one. Sasol was selling their shares, you didn't get one. Crowd1, don't play games. This is business. Let's get down to business. Now, the company, as I mentioned, is still on the pre-launch stage, but the whole gist of this thing, these guys want to help us actually to learn more about the world-class real estate, because as soon as you're making so much money, you need to invest your money wisely. Apart from that, how do you join and become a member? We have 4 packages that you can buy shares from. The package yokuqala ungathenga shares. It's a white package. Yona ibiza only 1,800 rand, which is 99 euros. And good news is, once you thenga leyo package, what do you get? One, bakunika ama-owner's right, ama-shares. Then bakunika owner's right shares worth 100 euros, which is plus minus 1,700 rand. Therefore, there is no loss. When you're getting a 1.8, bakunika back 1,700 rand. Should you find out to join 100 rand, by the way. Apart from that, you're getting paid for doing nothing. The company will punish you by paying you more. Why you join us? Why? Because as soon as ungena, whoever joins after you, irregardless of your mazi noma umazi, umuntu join emva kwakho ethenga ama-shares, you getting paid. Now remember, the company at the moment is operating in more than 53 countries. So wonke lo 53 countries siyahola. Mengeno Germany siyahola, ngeno Spain siyahola, Zimbabwe siyahola, everywhere, the whole world. Good news is, imali ngene emini ngene ebusuku ngoba ngesikhathi silala bayavuka bona ngale siyahola. That's why you're making so much money. So the first package you get 1,800. Second package you black, we go in ibiza 5,500, which is like 299 euros. Bagniga back you vele motigelo package 5,200. Therefore, ufale nomuntu wena join kahle kahle ngo 300 rand. Why? Ngoba ngithi ungene go 5.5, bagniga back 5,200 rand worth of shares. Lama shares akho every single day ayakhula. The moment ingena abantu emva kwakho ama shares akhula automatically ngoba is a 10% yale mali abajoyine ngayo iya kuma shares. Package number 3 is nayo you 14,500, which is 799 euros. Bakunika back in this company, ama shares worth 17,000 rands, which is 1,000 euros. There's no loss at all. You're actually making profit right away. If you're a businessman or businesswoman, you're looking at this audio, you better do some calculations here. There's no loss. Instead, the company will pay you again up to level 15 when you take this package le gold. And the last package scenario, it is a 42,000 range, which is 2,499 euros. Now it's not that bad because Bakninga back with 3,500 worth of euros worth of shares, which is plus minus 52,000 rand. There's no loss at all because you're profiting already plus minus 9,500 rand worth of profit. So if you took the small package there 1,800, ufana kahle kahle nomuntu othola ama shares size of a teaspoon. More tata the second package ufana nomuntu othola ama shares size of a spoon. If you tata the third package, it's like the size of a wheelbarrow. If you tata the fourth package, it's like the size of a crate, the TLP. That's how we call it in South Africa, ukandakanda. So which package do you like? I don't know. But the bigger the package, the bigger the size of shares that you get. Now, let's get down to how do we get paid and make money in this business. Indlela zokhola ke zu six ways to get paid. Eyokuqala indlela okhola ngayo is streamline bonus. Bese ngichazele ukuthi the first bonus ever where you get paid for doing nothing. Akuyona business ekuthiwa hamba ufuna abantu lena konqama isicathulo ufuna abantu abasafuna ekufakwa sabafaka ezintweni nawo abafaka kanti ngibuka nje ezintweni eziningi ehlukahlukene ziphi namhlanje zandiza. Thanks God we finally found Crowd1. It's a legitimate business. We have an app like you can download through your smartphones, through your Google store, even through your iPhone you can download it. So it's a legitimate thing. App is like an FSP. Apart from that, i-binary bonus isibili sinayo i-binary bonus. I-binary bonus ithi ke meke wangena wena instantly ungenile meke wafaka umuntu ushadow kahle kahle introduce abantu, you just share. Okay, you share a business methathe le package lencane i-binary bonus abazokhokhela yona u36 euros, which is 610. Mothathe umfake ngale package esibili black, you get 1,800. Mumfake ngale package gold umuntu, you will get 5,500. Mumthathe ngale last package le titanium wena uzothola 15,300 ngisho ngumuntu oyedwa nje. Mufake kushuthi abawu2 uno 30,000. Mufake abawu4 uno 60,000. It's up to you, but i-binary bonus le